I would like to congratulate Tata Motors for having taken the lead by launching a great car, which also has a great purpose of making our cities cleaner. The success of electric vehicles will largely depend on an efficient charging infrastructure spread across the country so that the EV users have a seamless charging experience wherever they need to charge. In addition, it will also be necessary for the EV charging ecosystem to go fully green by having green power to feed EV chargers. As penetration of EV increases, there will also be a need to manage power supply systems to suit user habits and patterns. This is where Tata Power's capability of 100 years as a power utility with extensive experience in both renewable generation and distribution will play a key part. Our vision is to create a comprehensive EV charging infrastructure that caters to EV owners' charging needs across different formats, standards and locations, including installing home chargers in residential buildings. We intend to provide one-stop, hassle-free, end-to-end EV charging solutions for personal, fleet and corporate EV owners. Once you buy a Nexon EV, we'll take care of your charging solutions end-to-end. We have already set up around 100 charging stations and are on track to set up 300 fast charging stations in 8 focus cities by March 20. We plan to expand our footprint to 650 plus chargers in 1 year, covering all major cities and key highways. With our end-to-end capabilities in the power sector and our strong channel reach, we believe that Tata Power will be a leading player in the EV charging business in India.
Lithium-ion cells are one of the most critical components in an electric vehicle, and with our inherent strengths in chemistry, we at Tata Chemicals are creating a platform to become world-class provider of cutting-edge and disruptive electrochemistry solutions for energy storage. We have the unique ability to build a truly circular economy around lithium-ion technology, starting from active materials to cell and battery manufacturing, and finally to recycling critical battery materials from used batteries. We are partnering with leading battery makers in the world for contemporary commercial cells, global R&D labs for next-gen technologies, and Indian R&D centers for indigenous development of actives and cells. Our plant site of over 127 acres of land in Dholera, Gujarat can house the manufacturing of actives, cells, and batteries of up to 10 gigawatts per annum, as well as the recycling operations. At Dholera, we are in the process of commissioning a commercial pilot cell manufacturing line by 2021, which could expand based on market demand to 3 to 5 gigawatt per annum by 2025, and the investment envisaged for this is rupees 800 crores. These cells would cater to applications in automotive sector as well as stationary energy storage, such as those needed by Tata Power. With strong capabilities in chemistry, Tata Chemicals has also launched battery recycling operations to conserve key materials such as cobalt and lithium. And we plan to set up active materials manufacturing capacity for lithium-ion industry by 2022. We are working with Tata AutoComp in building battery pack assembly plants to cater to growing requirements of automotive industry. Over the next decade, we at Tata Chemicals intend to become a leading, fully integrated electric energy storage solution company in India.
Tata AutoComp is proud to be part of the Tata Group e-mobility ecosystem. We design, develop and manufacture battery packs, electric driveline and chargers in partnership with leading global suppliers. We have designed the battery pack for the Nexon EV in close coordination with Tata Motors to meet Indian driving and environmental conditions. We have also established a manufacturing facility for battery packs at Pune and have commenced manufacturing of Nexon EV battery pack. In addition, we have also initiated design and development of battery packs for trucks and buses as well as 2 and 3-wheelers. We are setting up a state-of-the-art development and manufacturing facility for the electric driveline, which consists of motors, inverters and transmissions. Our driveline facility will be operational this year and we will be a proud supplier of electric drivelines for the Nexon EV. Tata AutoComp is geared to support the localization of multiple other EV components such as electric compressors and chillers. As EV technology is evolving rapidly, Tata Autocom is setting up an R&D team to support design and development of advanced manufacturing and cutting-edge EV components.
Tata Motors Finance intends to be a leading financier of EVs for both personal segment and fleet customers. We have developed innovative EV financing products that reduce the total cost of ownership for the EV owner. We have also developed comprehensive financing and leasing solutions for individuals and corporates to cover both ownership and short-term EV needs. For predictive market making, we will extend VIN-based channel funding and inventory financing solutions to Tata Motors ecosystem dealers who intend to participate in EV business. In addition, we intend to support EV owners in the realization of the best residual value to address customer uncertainty with the EVs.
At Croma, our mission is to promote responsible consumption of gadgets to improve the lifestyle of millions of Indians. EVs fit perfectly in this agenda. Croma already carries various green gadgets, including electric bicycles. And we are proud to be the first electronics retailer in the country to carry electric vehicles as a category. We believe that there are natural customer synergies between high-tech electronic gadgets and EVs. We have therefore partnered with Tata Motors in an innovative store-in-store concept for the Nexon EV at select Croma outlets. We intend to deliver an immersive experience through digital displays and expert guidance to enable customers learn more about EVs and to book a test drive. In addition, we have stores at prime locations and have a very strong expansion plan across India. We have offered many of these locations for setting up EV charging infrastructure for the benefit of EV users. We look forward to deepening our involvement in EVs as a category. We believe that Croma can play a key role in e-mobility by enabling a futuristic omni-channel car ownership journey.